Aaron, let's talk about how easy it is to really test the salt levels in your ACE system. And by the way, the good news is it's been fully integrated into a very smart and intuitive control panel. Let's take a look at how we do that.
The first thing you're going to want to do, Scott, is press the options button.
Okay.
At that point, you will see the words Water Care in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen.
Perfect.
Hit the Water Care button. Up will come the word Setup in the bottom right-hand corner again.
Sure.
Hit the Setup button, and now you have the ability to run a salt test.
Perfect. Very simple. Of course, you see that the color codes are red, green, and yellow. Obviously, our target is green. Aaron, what's the ideal salt level for an ACE saltwater system?
It's important that salt levels are between 1,500 and 1,750 parts per million.
Perfect. And at that level, performance is optimized. Now, of course, Aaron, it looks like there's a button that says yes if you want to run a test. By the way, how long does it take for the results of a test to fully process?
Well, when you hit the yes button and it runs a test, you need to wait 20 seconds to get the accurate results to that test.
Okay, so wait about 20 seconds and we'll have our results. Now, when the results come back, a screen comes up and it tells you either yay or there needs to be some adjustments.
Right, and the yay is when it says Water Care System functioning. If those words come up, you're good to go.
You're in that target of between 1,500 and 1,750, which is great. Now, on the other hand, let's say, for example, that somehow my salt level is too high. What do I need to do?
At that point, you need to consider draining some water out of the spa.
Sure.
So if you run the salt test and that black line is in the red, you need to drain 25% of the water and then top the spa back off with your garden hose.
Perfect.
Okay, and then run a new test.
That makes sense. Sounds pretty easy, actually. On the other hand, what if it's too low?
If it's too low, of course, we're going to add salt.
Okay.
And it's important that we add salt just a cup at a time.
Makes total sense. So just a little bit at a time, and again, the same procedure of making sure we're running our jets for between 5 and 10 minutes to allow it to mix in, and waiting then to run a test. Now, one thing to note is you cannot run an effective test while the jets are actually running, correct, Aaron?
Right. Correct.
Okay, very good. Our goal, bottom line, is this, is to have that come up to say, listen, you did good, Water Care System functioning.
You're exactly right, Scott.
Perfect.